Hello, teacher.
Hello, Michael. Michael, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Did you go out today?
Mm, yes, I am traveling to the beach.
You went to the beach.
Yes. Oh no, I am traveling to the
You're
beach.
traveling.
Yes.
Are you on the road?
Mm, I uh I arrive.
You what?
I arrive. I arrived to the beach.
Oh, you're at the beach now.
Yes.
Ooh, so you went to the beach, okay? So who did you go
Yes.
with?
What?
Who did you go with? Who did you travel with?
Um, my family, my
Okay.
parent, and
You went to the beach
yes.
with your family.
While with my family.
Okay, that's nice. So what did you eat today?
Mm, I eat uh, I eat I don't know the name of the English name of this
Okay, you don't know the name in English. What's the name in Vietnamese?
um it is uh this is phô mai que, khoai tây chiên,
Can you say that again?
phô mai que, khoai tây chiên,
Kwadi Kim,
and phô mai que.
Pomagwe. Okay. And what did you eat for lunch?
I eat for lunch. I didn't eat breakfast.
Okay, so what about dinner?
um, I ate nem nướng.
Nem nu.
Yes.
Is it a traditional food?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. That's good. And what did you do during the weekend?
Mm, I went to my extra class and watching TV.
Okay, during the weekend, you went for the extra class and you watched TV, right? Right.
Yes.
Okay. So welcome to class today, Michael. I'm going to share my screen now so we can start today's lesson. All right, 1 minute, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So in our last class, we talked about driverless cars, right?
Um, no,
Cars that drive themselves. Cars that
no, no,
drive
no, no.
themselves. So today we're going to
Um,
look at this.
yes,
Okay. All right. So we did this in the last class, right? This part. right?
We did it.
Okay. So we are going to start from warm-up questions.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So the first one we have here is it important for children to do the chores at home? Do you think it's important for children to do the chores at home?
Um, yes.
Okay, so why is it important?
Because because um, if it they more independent.
Okay, so it teaches children to be more independent, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it is important for children to do house chores at home because it teaches children to be independent. It also teaches them to be responsible. Okay, it
Yes.
teaches them to be independent, responsible, and helpful. Those are the key words. Responsible,
Uh,
independent, and helpful. Okay, so this is why it's important for children to do house chores because doing house chores teaches children to be responsible, independent, and helpful. All right?
yes.
Okay, so the next one, who does the house chores in your home? Who does the house chores in your home?
Mm, parents.
Okay,
My
your
parents.
parents. Oh,
Yeah.
what about you?
Mm, I I doesn't I doesn't do the chores.
Okay, you don't do chores. Hmm.
Yes.
But it is good for children to do chores. Okay, it is good for children to do chores. All right. Maybe sometime you should try helping mommy and daddy to do some house chores. For example, you could
Mm,
sweep, you could clean, you could do the
my
dishes.
my mom don't want me to do chores
Oh, your mom don't want you to do chores. Okay, that's fine.
because it is terrible.
What is terrible?
I don't know.
You don't know how to do it. It's terrible when you do it.
Yes.
Oh, then you have to learn. You have to learn.
Mm, I can cook food.
Oh, that's nice. You know how to cook. That's nice.
Yes.
So what kind of foods can you cook?
Um, I can do fried eggs, um,
Okay.
fried rice.
Ooh, you can make fried rice. That's impressive. Okay, what else?
Um, I can cook. I can cook. I don't know the English name.
Okay, what's the name in your language?
Um, yeah, Micheal.
Micheal.
Vì sao?
Again,
Vì sao?
Micheal.
Yes.
Ooh, you can make Micheal. All right, that's nice. It's good to know that you know how to cook. At least you know how to cook. That's nice. Okay. So the next one, is it fun to do housework? Is it fun to do housework?
Mm, yes.
Oh, you think it's fun, okay? So some people think it's fun, okay? I think some people think housework is fun while others don't think so, okay? Some people think housework is fun while some don't think so, okay? So now let's try to read the comprehension passage. Children doing chores. All right, so I want you to read this for me.
Mm, nobody enjoys doing chores, but somebody should do them. If we don't do housework, our homes will be very dirty. In many countries, children start doing the chores at a young age, but Korean children do not usually do the chores. Should this change? Some people say that Korean children should do chores first. It will teach them life skill, or adults need to know how to do the laundry. They also need to know how to cook. If children practice this skill at a young age, they will become adults with practical skills. Second, doing the chores is good exercise. Sadly, Korean children spend too much time sitting down doing housework. Will allow them to do more exercise. It will make the children healthier. Other people say that Korean children should not do chores. First, Korean children need to study really hard. They have to get good grades to have a better life. If they do housework, they do not study. This can be a problem. Second, doing chores can be dangerous. Cooking needs knives and fire. Cleaning needs chemical. These things can injure children.
Okay, these things can injure children. All right, so I'm going to read now. Children doing chores. Nobody enjoys doing chores, but somebody should do them. If we don't do housework, our homes will be very dirty. In many countries, children start doing the chores at a young age. But Korean children do not usually do the chores. Should this change? Some people say that Korean children should do chores first. It will teach them life skills. All adults need to know how to do the laundry. They also need to know how to cook. If children practice these skills at a young age, they will become adults with practical skills. Second, doing the chores is good exercise. Korean children spend too much time sitting down. Doing housework will allow them do more exercise. It will make them it will make the children healthier. Okay? Other people say that Korean children should not do chores first. Korean children need to study really hard. They have to get good grades to have a better life. If they do house chores, they do not study, this can be a problem. Second, doing chores can be dangerous. Cooking needs knives and fire. Cleaning needs chemicals. These things can injure children. Okay? So now we are going to look at the comprehension check here. Answer the questions using information from the reading passage. Okay? So remember the second paragraph here is saying Korean children should do chores because it will teach them life skills. And the other one is saying they shouldn't do chores because they need to study really hard and have good grades to have a better life. Okay? So now let's answer the questions here. What will happen if we don't do chores? What do you think will happen if we do not do chores?
Mm, if we don't do housework, our homes will be very dirty.
Yes, if you don't do houseworks, our home will be very, very dirty. Okay, so it is good to do chores if you know you don't want your home to be dirty. The next one, why do children need to learn life skills? Why do children need to learn life skills?
Because uh, if children, because they will become adult with practical skill. Uh,
Okay, so they need to learn life skills because all adults need to know how to do laundry. Okay, they also need to know how to cook. So if children can practice these skills at a young age, they will become adults with practical skills. All right? Right, Micheal?
mm, yes.
So how can doing chores improve children's health? How can doing chores improve children's health?
Mm, doing chore will allow them to do more exercise. It will make the children healthier. Healthier.
Okay? All right. It's going to improve health by allowing them do more exercise. Okay? It's going to allow them do more exercise. So number 4, why do some people think Korean children should focus on studying? I'll read that one more time. Why do some people think Korean children should focus on studying?
Um, because they they have to get good grades to have a better life. Um, if they do housework, they do not study. Um, doing chores can be dangerous. Cooking need night and fire. Cleaning need chemicals.
Okay? Remember the question says, why do some people think Korean children should focus on studying? Studying alone,
Or
okay? Why should they focus on
uh,
studying?
they have to get good grade to have a better life.
Okay? So they have to get good grades to have a better life. That is why they should focus on studying. So they get good grades and have a better life. Now the last one, why can chores be dangerous? All right. Why can chores be dangerous?
Mm, because cooking need nice and fire. Cleaning need chemical. These things can injure children.
Can you say that again?
Cooking need night and fire. Cleaning need chemical. These
Okay.
things can injure children.
So cooking needs knives and fire. Cleaning needs chemical. So that is why these things can injure children. They can be dangerous. All right. So now let's look at the vocabulary check here. Complete each sentence with one of the words below. Okay. So I want you to pronounce the words for me first. What's the first one?
Adult.
Adults. Okay. The next one.
Change.
Change. Okay. Number 3.
Chemicals.
Chemicals. Okay. Number 4.
Insurance.
Injures. Okay. Injures. All right.
Insurance.
That's good. The last one.
Laundry.
Laundry. Okay. So now I want us to know the meaning of these words before filling it in the sentence. Okay. So what is the first one?
Mm,
Adults. Do you know
adults
the
is
meaning of adult?
adults is a person who who's independent.
Okay. A person who is independent. A grown up person. Okay. A grown up person. A grown up person. Okay. So the next one, what's the meaning of change? Change. What's the meaning of change?
Um, I don't know
Can you,
how to explain it.
oh, you don't know how to. Can you give me like an example?
Um, train train this thing to that thing.
Okay, change this thing. Change. I want to change my clothes. Okay, for example, I want
Yes.
to change my clothes. So change means to make something different. All right? To make something different. That's the meaning of change, to make something different. What about the next one? Chemicals.
Um. Uh.
Chemicals.
Um. The substance. Yeah. Substance. I don't know how to explain it.
Okay. So chemicals are substances used to make or clean things. Okay. Substances used to make or clean things. Okay. That's the meaning of chemicals. Substances used to make or clean things. All right?
Yes.
Okay. So the next one we have injures. Do you know the meaning of injures?
It when something make me hurt.
Okay, hurt someone. Hurt someone. That's is injured. Okay. The next one we have laundry. What's the meaning of laundry?
Um. Please.
Can you say that again?
Wash the cloth. Wash the cloth.
Okay, to wash your clothes. Okay, that is clothes that need to be washed. Clothes that need to be washed. Okay, that is laundry. Clothes that need to be washed, or maybe clothes that are washed. Laundry. Okay, so I want you to practice the meaning of these words. Tomorrow I'm going to ask you the meaning of these words before we start the class. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So we are going to end the class here today, Michael. Thanks for joining the
Yes.
class today. I'll see you in our next class. All right?
Goodbye, teacher.
Oh, goodbye, Michael. See you in our next class.